So many of y'all sent me this, and it's perfect timing because this is what I was craving this morning. So hungry. All right, the reveal. Chicken Caesar wrap, baby. Bad chicken. The ones that you guys sent me had way more Parmesan cheese on it. Not that I'm complaining, but just something I noticed. All right. The lettuce just... Hold on, I'm hungry. So, big fan of the chicken in here. Growing on me. But yeah, I'm so hungry. I can't even speak and tell you what I like and don't like about it. Let me just get through this. Okay. I don't not like it. Like I said, it is growing on me, but the lettuce for some reason in this particular one just tastes like really warm and soggy, which is a lot of people's nightmare. Like, no, it's fine. This place has some bomb, like, chicken bites and one of the most incredible desserts you'll ever have. But I'm eating it because I'm freaking starving. But this is not the best in Dallas. Yeah, no. The warm lettuce is creeping me out. I did get extra Caesar. Definitely do that. A little more juice. Okay. My tummy's just happy because I filled it. I'll probably just eat the chicken out of this one. Warm lettuce is a no for me. Where's your favorite chicken Caesar wrap in Dallas? Mine is still Slider and Blues. Sue me.